Uh-oh.
What's up guys? I'm Alex, the multimedia director for The Post, and if you're like me, cooking for yourself seems kind of like a daunting task. Anything but, basic frozen meals, frozen chicken nuggets, seems too complicated. I'm here to show you guys it's really not that hard. In this video series, we're going to go through some basic yet delicious meals you can cook at home. Today, we're cooking ham and cheese sliders. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is slice the rolls into sandwich buns and layer the bottom of the tray with the buns. Next, we're going to layer the ham and the cheese along those buns we just laid down. Then of course, we're going to add the tops of those buns back on. Alright, next, in a separate bowl, we're going to mix half a tablespoon of poppy seeds, half a tablespoon of onion powder, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so now that we have that mixture, you're going to spread it across the tops of your buns and just go ahead and use all of the sauce that you just made. Alright, so now you're going to bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until they're crispy on top. Alright, that's it guys. Those are super easy ham and cheese sliders. They actually have some flavor to them, unlike frozen chicken nuggets. And didn't take too long to make. Not very expensive at all. Something you can definitely do in your dorm, in your apartment, wherever. Thanks for watching guys, and keep it right here at The Post.